Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we could definitely do that. Still gotta see if your home is gonna qualify, but oh hey, I gotta go right quick. But yeah, send over your bill and I'll be over there in about 30 minutes, okay? All right, thanks, awesome. Hey, what's up guys? Sorry about that. So check this out. We actually have a 10 kW system right here, and guess where we're at? We're in Little Elm, Texas, right? So if you're in the neighborhood, give me a shout. Give Daniel a shout, okay? A big question that I do get often is like, Tony, how do we qualify to go solar? Right? So it's actually very simple. Again, reach out to me, we could get the specifics down, but all you've got to have is one, you got to be the homeowner, right? If you're not a homeowner, it's going to be very tough, but you got to be the homeowner. You got to have 650 and up on your credit score, and okay, you've got to be working. Why do you want to be working? It's because the government right now is helping you go solar with 26% of the total cost of the system. But in order for you to qualify, you have to have taxable income. Right, we could get into the details on that. Reach out to me to get some more information at 903-746-7774, right? And we can talk about specifics, right? Every home is different, but it's case by case. But come with me, we're actually gonna go check out how this whole system operates, okay? Cool, so we're back over here. Like I said, we're in Little Elm, Texas. It's about 4 p.m. Check this out. So the system I told you, it's a 10 kW system. So up at the roof, right, we actually have, it's a micro inverted system. So what does that mean? Once that energy is being produced, it's automatically converted from DC to AC, right? AC power is what we currently use, right, in your home. So check it out. So it's already being converted. So the power source is actually coming down here to the combination box, right? This is what you're gonna get for having solar. So the power is gonna come down here, go through the combination box. It's gonna go to the bidirectional meter. What is the bidirectional meter? So this is where the power company can see how much energy you're sending back to the grid, right? Because your solar system is gonna produce a ton of power. That's crazy, right? I know what you're thinking. Where does this energy go, right? It goes back to the grid. And guess what? They're gonna store credits for you. We'll get into that in just a moment. It goes into the bidirectional meter. You see the little U? It goes to the quick disconnect. And this is the AC disconnect, so this is in case of an emergency, we gotta shut it down, right? We'll come and check out what's going on just in case. And then from there, as you can see the line, right? Goes inside of the wall and goes into the main circuit breakers, right? So your main service panel. And then from there, as you can see, you got your regular conventional box right here. This is where the power company has their meter. Does that make sense? If not, let me know. Reach out to me at 903-746-7774. You will get your free proposal, and guess what? We will see how much you're able to save by going solar. Now, we'll see you guys on the next